In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or a seasoned user looking to streamline your payment processes, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get Payoneer set up as a payment provider on your Shopify store. First things first, let's head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your central hub for managing your online store, so make sure you're logged in and ready to make some changes. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a page filled with various settings you can manage for your store. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Payments tab. This is where you can configure how customers will pay for their purchases on your site. Click on Payments to proceed. Don't worry, we're getting closer to integrating Payoneer. Once inside the Payments section, you should see an option to choose a provider. Clicking this will open a list of third-party payment providers that Shopify supports. Payoneer is on this list, and you'll want to find Payoneer Checkout Native Cards. Select it by clicking on it, and this will take you to the setup page specifically for Payoneer. Now that you've selected Payoneer, you'll be presented with an Install button. By clicking Install, you're initiating the integration process. This step is crucial as it links your Payoneer account with your Shopify store, allowing you to manage payments seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully added Payoneer as a payment provider on your Shopify store. This setup will allow you to accept payments more smoothly, which can be a game changer for your business operations. Remember, having multiple payment options can enhance the shopping experience for your customers, potentially increasing your sales. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support team or consult Payoneer's resources for additional guidance. They have a wealth of information that can help you troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. Thanks for watching this video on connecting Payoneer to Shopify. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now one step closer to optimizing your online store. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to manage your e-commerce platform effectively. Until next time, happy selling!